Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you how to use the groundnut, that is the peanuts, to regain back your womanhood. Here's the peanuts I'll be using. So I'll just put some amount in a bowl like this. You don't have to use too much, and I'll pour in water now to wash it. So after washing, I will pour in a pot like this and pour in some amount of water. Now the groundnut has started boiling. Try to make sure the water goes brown before you put it down, because that is when it is effective. So here is it, it's done. I'll just leave it to cool down. As you can see, the water is brownish and there's a bit of oil on top, that is from the peanuts. So next we're just going to drain out the water, that is separate the water from the groundnut, because it is the water we'll be using. This is used in two ways. So the first way is you get your cotton board just like this, touch it in the water and insert it in your private part for some minutes, then take it off and wash off. Do this like 3 times a week. You don't have to overdo it so that place doesn't get too tight. So the second method is to drink it. Get a glass, pour in the water like this, and you drink it. Guys, this actually works. No side effect. It's all natural. You can give it a try. So guys, I think that's basically all for this video. And note please, it is good to use the local groundnut from a local store if possible. Most of us here in Europe, we hardly get that, so hence I use this other type, but the local groundnut is the best for this. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find it helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.